Just a child, I was smaller than the rest. My mama said that's just God's way to put me through his test, to see if I'd be patient when others done me wrong. She promised me that burning fire would help to make me strong. I listened to my mama's voice and did my best each day. I tried to be forgiving of the hurtful words they'd say. I knew one day that burning fire would lend its strength to me, and all them folks who thought me small would see me differently. It ain't your size that makes you stand a giant, it's what's inside that folks just can't see. I'm glad I'm small, it gives me room to grow. I guess my mama had it right. Thank God that mamas know. One day I met a little boy, his skin was dark as night. The other kids would call him names, they wanted him to fight. But he would smile and say to them, fighting is all wrong. I watched just how that burning fire helped to make him strong. It ain't your looks that makes you stop believing, so don't you hide how great you're gonna be. We ain't the same, it gives us room to grow. I guess my mama had it right. Thank God that mamas know. She is small or different than the rest. I'll set her down upon my knees and teach the lesson taught to me. It's just God's way to put you through his test.